Dear customers, dear visitors, I am very pleased that you are interested in the digital offer of Weidmüller instead of the Hanover Fair. In your plants, but also in your factories, you are confronted with very big challenges around the industrial IoT. As a pioneer in industrial connectivity, we have been dealing with topics related to digitalization or even Industrial 4.0 for a long time. And this is exactly where we have put together a complete portfolio as partners. For data acquisition, we offer booth sensors and remote I/O. For data processing, we have a strong portfolio of controllers, but also gateways. For data transport, we offer a complete portfolio of industrial Ethernet and digital platforms. For evaluation, we have a strong portfolio of software and an outstanding solution for industrial analytics. Are you interested in easy access and fast implementation of IIoT solutions? Then I hope you enjoy our digital offer now.